Hello guys, welcome to AMG Current Affairs Revision, December 2019, Part 1, and this is Abdul Chandra. So let's move on to the first part, Operation Clean Art. So what is Operation Clean Art? Its aim is to crack down on illegal trade in mongoose hair. It is a pan-India operation being conducted by Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. So that's an important part. Who conducts it? That is Crime Control Bureau. Okay. And then regarding mongoose, it is listed in Schedule 2, Part 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. And that's the most important thing in this part. See, mostly UPSC asks about tiger, elephant, leopard, and all. And they are the big animals, they are the most protected animals, and they are being included in the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and it is the favorite area of UPSC also. So, let be clear that mongoose is listed in Schedule 2, Part 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Okay, and regarding Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, it is a statutory body under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. See, there is a tip. Whenever you study about an organization, you first note whether it is statutory, that is backed by an act of government, or whether it is executive, that is simply by a resolution of the government, or it is a constitution, that is itself in the constitution. Okay, so here Wildlife Crime Control Bureau is a statutory organization which is being backed by Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Okay, and whenever you study an organization, you must notice the most broad objective of the organization. See here in this Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, the broad objectives are related to wildlife crime activities. That is, it assists in states, foreign authorities, international organization, and customs authorities also with regard to wildlife crimes. Okay, so that's also important. You must study that. Okay, so moving on to the next part, that is India is set to get its first missile tracking ship. So here the most highlighted point is first missile tracking ship. You can see, right? And it is being built at Hindustan Shipyard Limited. So obviously we know that it is indigenous product, right? Indigenous production. Sorry. So in this UPSC can ask a question like that. India's first missile tracking ship has been acquired from Russia. So that's a wrong statement, right? Because it is being built at Hindustan Shipyard Limited and it is an indigenous production. Okay, and in regarding this ship is fitted with the primary X band, secondary S band, actively electrically scanned array. These are mostly technical. You just familiarize with these technical terms. When you see the question, it is easy for you to choose the correct statement. Okay, so moving on to the next part, that is regarding government banned colistin in poultry industry. So here the important point is that it is government banned the manufacture, sale and use of colistin in the poultry industry. Only in the poultry industry government is banned the manufacture, sale and use of colistin. So that's the important thing you must notice. And another thing is, what is colistin? So we can see here colistin, known as polymyxin E, is an antibiotic used as a last resort for multi-drug resistant gram-negative infections causing pneumonia. Okay, so this is an last resort option. So you must know what is a last resort drug. So it is given here: if colistin resistance spreads to bacteria that are already resistant to all other antibiotics, those bacteria could cause truly untreatable infections. So in order to avoid that, we are not using this colistin frequently. So only government has banned the use of colistin in the poultry industry. Mostly in the poultry industry, this colistin is to fatten the chickens. Okay. Okay guys, the next part, that is regarding Instex, that is instrument in support of trade exchanges. So the news is 6 European nations joins Instex barter mechanism. Okay, so we must know what is Instex. Okay, so Instex, as we see, it is instrument in support of trade exchanges. Its mission is to facilitate non-US dollar and non-SWIFT transactions with Iran to avoid breaking US sanctions. So this is the most important highlighted part of the instex. Okay, non to facilitate non-USD and non-SWIFT transaction with Iran to avoid breaking US sanctions. So regarding instex, its headquarters is located in Paris, France, and it is founded in 31st January 2019. So initially, who all came up with this idea? That is France, Germany, and United Kingdom were the owners of this Instex, and recently 6 more European nations joined the Instex water mechanism, that is Belgium, Denmark, Finland, Netherlands, Norway, and Sweden. You must remember all these 6 new joinees and the founding members such as France, Germany, and United Kingdom. UPSC can ask these kind of questions. Okay, so who among the following is part of Instex mechanism? It can include India also. So India is not a part. Okay, so these 6 new joinees and the 3 founders you must remember. Okay, so these are all related to Instex. Okay, so moving on to next, power of Siberia gas pipeline. So we are all know this is the biggest project we have seen recently. So what is it? It is a first cross-border gas pipeline between Russia and China. So that's important, between Russia and China, and it is the first cross-border gas pipeline between Russia and China. So UPSC can ask. It is an highlighted area for UPSC. And what is it? Russia will deliver 1 trillion cubic meters of natural gas to China over the next 30 years. So here the important part is next 30 years. So it is possible, right? Next 30 years Russia can deliver 1 trillion cubic meters of natural gas to China. So sometimes UPSC may ask like that, it will deliver this amount in the next 5 years. So that is a huge negative statement, so you can cancel that statement. So you must know what is power of Siberia. It is the first cross border gas pipeline between Russia and China. And one more important point is that at the border it is tunneled under the Amur river. So it is tunneled under Amur river. So Amur river, as we can see here, it is Amur river, and it is the border between Russia and China. Okay, so it is tunneled under Amur river. Okay, and in here we can see Lake Baikal also in this figure, and it is a 3000 kilometer is the length of the gas pipeline. So it duration is 30 years, you can see. So this power of Siberia, you just familiarize what is power of Siberia, and the year, that is duration, is 30 years, and the major important river is Amur river. Okay, so moving on to the next. So Nidal Helpline. What is Nidal Helpline? It is a project by Kerala Police, okay, to ensure the safety of women and senior citizens to find themselves who find themselves stranded during late hours. So here the important point is that not only women, it covers senior citizens also. Okay, it is an initiative by Kerala Police, that is Nidal Helpline. So moving on to the next, that is regarding Guggala. So Guggala is a ritual related to Lord Veerabhadreshwara, and who performs this Guggala? It is Puravantarua, that is a folk artist performing Guggala. You can see the image here. Okay, so it is a ritual related to Lord Veerabhadreshwara. Okay, it is in Hubbali, Karnataka. So Veerabhadreshwara Lord is related to Karnataka, right? So Guggala ritual is related to Lord Veerabhadreshwara, and Purvandara is the folk artist who are performing Guggala. Okay. So guys, this is regarding zero FIR. So what is a zero FIR? It can be filed by any police station irrespective of jurisdiction. That's the important thing. And another thing is that normally FIRs are recorded in a register specifically maintained for that purpose in every police station, and it is given a number. But in case of zero FIR, it is not numbered. That is important. Keep in your mind. UPSC can ask like that. Zero FIRs are also numbered. So that statement is wrong. So zero FIRs are not numbered. When after the filing of the zero FIR, the respective police station will transfer the case to the jurisdictional police station. Okay, and in the right side you can see the things related with the normal FIR. Please do have a read. Thank you.